pure presence of being. Right here, right now, we take a deep inhale and exhale. Finding ourselves right here at this moment, allowing our outer eyes to close and our inner vision to open. I invite you into this sacred moment of meditation with intention and full attention. We take a deep community breath as we allow ourselves to be so fully present in this moment. We breathe into this idea of wholeness. Which is probably the reason the idea of perfection ever came to the mind of humanity. Being humanly perfect is the ego's way of trying to understand the spiritual principle of wholeness. But wholeness does not take perfection. Wholeness does not take the need for worldly goods in order to demonstrate or manifest. In order to experience our wholeness, we do not need all of the storms around us to cease. We simply request that the ones within us become still. This is our birthright, our true nature. So we breathe into this idea of wholeness on this morning. Allowing ourselves to experience a deeper connection with the true self, the divine nature, the consciousness that we call the Christ consciousness, the consciousness of oneness, the consciousness of unity, the consciousness of awakening and awakened mind. It is from this place of wholeness that we create, we express, we demonstrate, we move, we live, we have our being. It is available at all times. It is inexhaustible. It cannot be diminished by frequent use. It is our spiritual renewable resource. So we simply breathe into the possibility that day by day we may experience more of our wholeness. That in moments of discord or chaos or seeming separation or problem, that we might remember this spiritual practice and step into the awareness of our wholeness. So we take a deep breath, a deep inhale, drawing the crown of the head high, and a deep exhale, finding ourselves and feeling ourselves grounded in this moment. Asking wholeness to have its way with us in the silence. this moment from this place of centered presence to place your hand on your heart and to think of anyone in your life or your world that you would like to bless. I invite you to speak those words aloud or hold them in the silence of any names or situations that you would bless in this moment, knowing that like a tuning fork, the peace and the presence, the wisdom, the light, the love, the healing, the wholeness, the power of this moment is shared because we are all connected in mind, in consciousness, in heart. So I invite you to share those names now if you choose, or hold them in your heart. Wendy and her father, Michael and his father, Tony. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. And may all beings know that we are born blessed and here to be a blessing. And so it is.